Good morning and welcome to the Mount Litera Z School Surat. I, Hardik Antani, I am the principal. Mount Litera Z School Surat is a 7-year-old school managed by the Udan Education Trust, spread across the 5 acres of land. Our mission: to prescribe and implement curriculum for physical, mental, emotional, spiritual and intellectual enlistment for achieving multifaceted development and growth of the young generation. Our vision: every child is unique. Education should foster real understanding and real understanding through an integrated approach. To start with, we have this wonderful entry gate, the elegant entry gate, where we have this barricade kept specially to restrict the entry and exit of the members of the inside and outside the school. Security cabin, 24/7 we have the security guards here taking care of the entry and exit of the members in and out of the campus. As we move in, the security cabin leads us to the lush green and wonderful campus of the Mount Litera Z School. The Mount Litera Z School stands up tall in the beautiful sunshine. It is clearly visible that the entire campus is surrounded by the concrete wall, and along with this concrete wall we have this parking area specially designed for the parking of the vehicles for the visitors and the staff members. It is made here totally aloof from the school campus, as it should not disturb the academic procedure of the children. Moving further, we can see that all along the wall we have these trees which are planted to give a lush green ambience to the entire campus. These trees are installed so that the children avail, or children always get the feeling of being in lap of the nature. Moving further, we have ensured that all around the campus the boundary is covered with these trees. As we move forward, as we proceed along, there is a separate children play area for the students of pre-primary and primary section, ranging from grade nursery to grade 1. A beautifully designed area which provides the children to develop their physical strength at that tender age. As we move there, we'll have a closer look at those equipments. This, as I said, is the children playing area, the typical dream world for the little ones. And if we see the turf which is there underneath, it is absolutely safe, so that there is no case of injury for any child who plays here. Moving further, now we have this parking area for the buses just beside the staff parking area. This particular area is where the buses in the morning come and park themselves, so that the children can easily get down and move towards their classes. We are equipped with the Mercedes-Benz buses, which ensures complete comfort to the child who comes to the school. Looking at the distance we have from the city, we ensure that this becomes the only means of conveyance for all the children for complete safety of theirs. Moving ahead, we have this backside of the building which is made to be the assembly zone. We ensure at Mount Literacy School every morning should begin with the blessings of the Almighty, and so when the children give their attendance in the classroom, class wise they are led to the assembly zone for the prayer to the Almighty and seek their blessings for yet another beautiful day. There we can see this beautiful assembly zone, actually a multi-purpose assembly which can also be used for various small little functions and felicitations outside, so that it gives a feeling of one family and they celebrate it together. Proceeding further, now getting an inside view of this place. This is a stage, a place where the child develops the self-confidence, the public speaking skills, and it is rightly said the assembly is the right time with the class when the child develops that skill of public speaking and reduces the fear to speak in the public. Various debates, elocution competitions, other competitions, the music competitions, everything is conducted in this area, which makes it multi-purpose. Moving next to the assembly zone, we have the lush green outfield, the beautiful widespread ground of the Mount Literacy School Surat at the back of the building. This is the ground where all sort of activities take place, be it cricket, be it football, be it the athletic meets, be it any other event related to the sports outside, everything is taken up here. This particular ground provides the exact platform for our children to develop themselves physically and stand up tall in the ever challenging world. One more important thing which I would like to focus here are these small little saplings and these plants. These are planted by our children, creating the awareness for the environment, for the better future tomorrow. These are the different plants and saplings. As I said earlier, all along the fence are planted to give a lush green outfield, to give a green, environmental friendly campus. Coming out of this lush green outfield, this gives a view of the backside of this school, of the school building. As we walk along, I would like to mention here one more important thing. The entire campus is monitored in every corner with the well installed CCTV cameras. These cameras are specifically installed to ensure complete safety and security to the children coming here. Not only children, but even the staff and the other members of the family are completely secure under this surveillance. As I showed earlier, the backside of the campus, the backside of the school building, coming to the side of the campus or the school building, there is this small green area created, and the plants are planted right now which would grow up to be strong trees, which would even again, as I said, will give a beautiful green lush look to the campus. This particular area I would like to specifically mention is there for the botanical experiments to be done by the children. We believe that science that is learned outside the classroom yields wonderful results for the future generation. This particular area is created for our young budding litterants to develop themselves scientifically, to develop scientific skills, and do various possible experiments related to botany for growing of plants, the process in growing the plants, and so on. Moving ahead to the other compartment of this campus, the front side of the school, which is built up, we can see that here we have a well-built, professionally built basketball court surrounded by the skating rink. The children, according to their classes and schedule, come here and hone their skills in the field of sports, excel their skills and master their skills in the field of sports. This particular court is professionally designed, keeping in the measurements accordingly, so that the children can develop to be a professional player in future. The skating rink, as you can see, wonderfully spreaded all around the basketball field, so that every child gets an opportunity to master their skills and hone their skills in these fields. After looking at the outdoor of the campus, let us get inside the school building and explore various departments into it. This is the reception area, the front desk reception area, where daily various visitors and parents do visit and meet different person. A beautifully designed and a wonderful piece of architect that we can see here. It gives a wonderful ambience to this particular area. The front desk executive, the front desk officer readily welcomes all the members and addresses them to the respective person to whom they want to meet. Moving to the next segment, we have these trophies in the trophy cabinet, wherein it shows the achievements of the school. Next is the counselor room. Every child is given that platform to explore or to express themselves when they come to the school. And when they do that, they get the best out of it. The next part of it, the administrative area. This particular block is the administrative block. Let us move on, as the first cabin is the principal's office. As we peek inside the principal's office, all the academic interactions, all the discussions about the bright future of the children is conducted here by the principal for the children with the parents, and a bright future is always on the way. The next comes is the administrative block. All the departments, be it accounts, be it HR, be it transport, all these departments are placed here and they look after the complete smooth functioning of the school. The academic wing, you can see this wall full of the stalwarts, and the reason why they are placed here is that we believe that every child, when he or she enters the school, should be inspired by the quotes and the deeds of these stalwarts and inspire and be the best in the future. One more important aspect of the development of every child is the auditorium that is built inside the school. Let us have a look into it. This is the ambient and beautiful auditorium that we have with the school today. We can see that this stage this particular auditorium is used for celebration of various indoor events, various felicitations, various small little competitions for tiny tots especially. This is a place, I believe, is a stage where the children can develop the public speaking skills, develop themselves to face the public, to face the audience and do the best. Next, just beside the auditorium, we have the console come the server room. As we discussed earlier, this is the CCTV control room. The CCTVs that are installed all over the campus are monitored from here. Also, we have the high-speed internet connectivity all over the campus, and this is the control of the entire internet facility that we have. Next, on the side wings of the ground floor, we have the well-equipped indoor sports room. This sports room is designed to ensure the indoor sports activity of each and every child. Let's peep into it. There you go. This is the indoor sports complex of the Mount Litera Z School, Surat. The chess, the the table tennis, the carom boards, the various equipments for the outdoor sports are also stored here. The special shelves are made to ensure that these things are easily accessible and available for our children. The mental and physical strength in the 21st century is the actual need of every child. And so, to develop both these things, at Mount Litera Z School, Surat, we are well equipped with these equipments. The lower grade children, as we discussed earlier, they have the outdoor play area to develop their physical strength, and the middle school and the higher school children develop their physical and mental strength coming here in the indoor sports room. Moving further to the next segment, this was the sports room which we just saw, and now next to the sports room we have the wellness center of the school, that is the infirmary. Let us get inside and have a view of it. School is considered as the second home of every child. So when the child is at school, at times when he or she may feel ill or not well, this is the place where they get the first-hand treatment. We have this in-house infirmary with deployed doctor and the nurse so that they can take care of every minute health detail of each and every child. There are requirements of first-hand treatment for various small little accidents and mishaps, so that is the place where they are dealt with. Moving further to the next segment, this was the sports room which we just saw, and now next to the sports room we have the wellness center of the school, that is the infirmary. The school is considered as the second home of every child. So when the child is at school, at times when he or she may feel ill or not well, this is the place where they get the first-hand treatment. We have this in-house infirmary with deployed doctor and the nurse so that they can take care of every minute health detail of each and every child. There are requirements of first-hand treatment for various small little accidents and mishaps, so that is the place where they are dealt with. We also have the system of calling the parents as soon as there is some mishap that takes place, but in that time span, this is a must. Beautiful ambience is visible. The classes from grade nursery to grade 6 are all set up on this particular floor, and the classes are placed in such a mechanical manner that the children are totally isolated. At the same time, they also develop social etiquettes. Next, I would like to highlight here is the fire and safety service that we have installed here. This is the fire and safety instrument. The latest certified fire and safety instruments are ensured. We as school believe that these things are extremely important for our kids, and so if at all there is any mishap or if any incident which is unavoidable, these things can immediately can be placed into action, and the best results can be achieved through that. We are always ready at Mount Literacy School to battle out any calamity. Let's move on to the first floor now. As we move on, the variety of different aspects are covered for the children for their growth. To start with, let us move in to this music room. Music room is specially designed with soundproof walls, because music is the art which is a different kind of, which requires a different kind of setup. The inner sound is what is required to be heard when you are into music. And if you can see this beautiful ambience, it makes the children enjoy the musical notes and love whatever they are doing. There are different musical activities which are conducted here. Let me talk about the keyboards, the various instruments, the percussions, the music, the vocals. Everything is catered to, so that the children can take part in various intra and extramural competitions and come out with bright colors. Coming out of it, the next segment of the art, that is the dance room. The beautifully architected dance room that we have here at Mount Literacy School, Surat. We can see a very nice ambience is created here, where the children can make the moves and see them and learn the better art in dance. Be it a Western format or be it the Indian classical format, we have the trained faculty here to ensure that the children develop the best in dance. By developing this, they can excel in any competition or everywhere they go. The next segment here I would like to show on the first floor, or in fact on the every floor on the sideways, is the very important drinking water area. Fresh cold water is available to the children all the while they are in the campus. These taps are automatic, as in to save water, these taps get cut. These taps can cut the water immediately after the use. Moving to the next part of it, we have the boys' washroom on the left side of the wing. Let us get inside and have a view of it. At Mount Literacy School, we ensure high level of hygiene when it comes to the washrooms. As you can easily see, it is evident by the different sections of urinals being created. Each and everything is spick and span and very tidy, which makes this extremely hygienic for the usage of the children. The hygiene is clearly evident out here. Now on the first floor, let us go into the wings and we have the art and craft room. Another form of art which requires high level of creativity. And when we enter, we can easily see here a beautifully designed art and craft studio. If we can see these tables, they are specifically heighted so that the children can sit and create the masterpiece every time. Let me show you one more very good thing here. At the back, if you see, there are these pencils or the crayons. They are actually not the crayons, they are the stores, or they are the store places of the chart papers and various other goods required for the art and craft room. A wonderful piece of architecture, a creative piece of architecture for creative minds to develop to be the best. Let us move on to the next room that we have with us. Talking about the classrooms, let us have a view at the classroom structure that we have inside these buildings. The classrooms here are designed to ensure complete imbibe of the knowledge by the children. The children, when in the class, can concentrate fully. The ventilation is such that fresh air keeps on flowing across to the children and they can learn the best when they are sitting in the classroom. To add to it, the feather to the cap is the Z-Learn curriculum that we follow, which enhances the practical understanding of each and every concept that is taught inside the classroom. If we look to the next segment here, is that of the pigeonholes that are being created here. When we open it, the children can definitely store their materials. At the same time, if it is closed, these can be the boards where they can fix or they can place their creativities and artwork when they are working on it. In a sense, this is a perfect environment created for each and every child so that they can get the best when they are at Mount Etera Z School, Surat. Let's move on to the next room that we have to show. As we move on, we have the classes on both the sides. And now let us go on to the most precious side, or the most precious corner according to me, the school library. The place where the children have their best friends always with them. This is the school library that we are going to look into. The word of wisdom, as we always say, the place where the maximum knowledge can be imbibed. The library is designed in such a beautiful manner that the children get attracted to develop the habit to interact with their best friends. It is rightly said, books are the best friends. If you observe this table, which is beautifully designed in a way that every child feels like they are together, at the same time they are still isolated to explore the world inside the book. If you see to my right side, there are these beautiful cots made so that the children get a cozy environment where they can explore the book. At every regular interval, there are cots made. The children here definitely develops a lot of reading habits, because what requires for reading is a complete peace, and this is the right place where they can develop that peace in their mind and read the best. Moving further, this particular thing is the place for the librarian to sit. We have the qualified librarian with us. The books are issued by him. Moving further, this beautiful, again the cots which are being made, a beautiful piece of architecture again, where the children completely feel isolated and they can enjoy the reading which they take up. And talking about the books, ranging from all the genre, all the different genre, we have the books almost ranging to 2400 books with different languages, different genres, be it reference books, be it textbooks, be it the novels, be it the fiction books, beautifully placed in these shelves for easy access of every child. Even when you talk about the higher grades, grade 9, 10, 11, there are books of their reference for subjective reference. They can learn the best from those books when they come to the library. Let us move on. See, even the mythological books are placed right here, be it Bhagavad Gita, be it Bible, be it Quran, all the books are kept here for a complete study of the interest. You can easily see here those books which have been talked about. For little kids, we have the different picture representative books that such as wild animals, the fruits, the different kind of books which are having the pictorial representation. Another space which I would like to show here is another kind of a place where the children can read at leisure. They can sit at their comfort, they can read, and they can develop the complete interest in that book and enjoy the reading. And that is how they develop here at Mount Literacy School, Surat. Coming to the next part, that is the e-resource, which is the need of the hour. If there are certain things where the children need to surf across the internet to find out the links, we have this e-resource computer where the children can explore the world on the web. Coming to the next segment, just opposite to the library, we have the computer lab, the well-equipped computer lab. Let us get into the world of the computers. Yes, the classically arranged computer lab with different cabinets being made. There are 28 sets of computers, or 28 computers that we have in the computer lab, ensuring each child getting good amount of hand-on experience on the practical subject. Whenever they have their practical period of the computers, children do come here and hone their skills on the computers as well. This is how they develop their skills in the field of IT as well. The upcoming AI is a big challenge, we all know, and this would be the right platform for them to develop those skills. Right. Now moving out of it, we have the proposed classes: grade 11 science, grade 11 commerce, and the grade 11 humanities. We have the arrangements for the same, so that in future, after we receive the affiliation, we can accommodate the children of these grades with our campus. This is grade 11 commerce, and to my right now I have grade 11 humanity as well. There is one more floor which is there with the building, that is the second floor, which is right now under renovation, so that we can accommodate more children in future when we get the strength. On the other side of the wing we have the girls washroom. Let us peep into that as well. This is the girls washroom. Again, at Mount Little Aziz School we ensure complete hygiene when it comes to the washrooms. The well lit washrooms, the clean washrooms are placed for the children so that they are comfortable using them, and the dedicated grade 4 staff is always at toes. 3 times a day they do the process of cleaning these washrooms, which makes it crystal clear. Chemistry lab, a well-equipped chemistry lab for the practicals for grades 9, 10, 11 and 12. It is clearly evident all the material that is required for all the experiments prescribed by the Central Board of Secondary Education are placed. As we move further, these are the chemicals and the reagents required for the experiment. The center table where all the important chemicals and ingredients are being placed so that it is easily accessible to the children who are performing the experiment, of course under the guidance of the teacher. Moving further, now we move on to the biology lab. The well-equipped biology lab provides complete discourse of the subject for grade 9, 10 and 11. Different charts and modules and models are placed. The microscopes, one for each table, for a focused study of the microbes, different structures and models, the DNA and RNA structure there. At the center we have the hydrogen molecule structure, the cell structure, the plant and the animal cell, now we move on to the physics lab. The well managed and well equipped physics lab at Mount Litera Z School Surat allows the children to understand the subject, especially for grade 11, in a very, very detailed manner. Next is the maths lab. Mathematics is the subject where you need to understand the concepts, and this understanding would come only when you do the things. So, for the same purpose, the Mount Litera Z School is equipped with a maths lab wherein almost all the concepts are prepared, or the concepts are made in a systematic manner so that the children can understand it, and while they do it by understanding, they can learn it for longer.